Yes, so how to make your own brown sugar from the beginning to the very end with just one ingredient. Yes, so what's up, Effects family? I guess you all are doing well. Now, for those of you now when the person are like brown sugar well, or maybe for those beauticians, dietitians, cosmetologists, sparatians, when they use brown sugar for their beauty products, my darlings, it is better you carry chest sit down, rest down your nyash very well. They watch this video to the very end, so now go know how brown sugar, how they do am. Now, let me burst you guys bubbles. Shey una know say brown sugar better well, e better well pass white sugar. Yes, brown sugar has a lot of health benefits. Wetin dey for brown sugar no dey for white sugar o. That's the reason why una go see say brown sugar cost well pass white sugar. So now, how to make this sugar? It is very easy. All you need to do now, get your sugar cane, because sugar cane is a cheap ingredient. Follow these procedures and you are good to go. But my darlings, for the fact I talk say brown sugar good well pass white sugar, no me say make you come dey consume am anyhow. No consume am anyhow. Wash your health. Health is wealth. So you just carry your your sugar cane, blend am, but before they make sure say your blender good though, you get correct blender. I'm not trying to advertise any blender, I no get blender to advertise. So carry your sugar cane, blend am, sieve the water, put am for pot, boil am, e go come strong like this. Carry am put for blend am again, blend am, and your brown sugar is ready. Yes, for those people wey no know say wetin dey use brown sugar dey do apart from drinking tea, una no know say na fit use brown sugar take scrub body. Yes, if you want to have an healthy skin, you want remove those dead cells comot from your skin, the thing you need is brown sugar, honey, come add a little bit of turmeric, my darlings, to scrub your skin. Those people dey complain say my skin dey dull, cream wey I dey use no dey work for my skin. How cream go work, Aunty Cynthia, when you are not scrubbing your skin? So you can scrub your skin with brown sugar. My darling, please go and try it and you come back and testify. Now we don reach where we dey go see as I dey dance, dey shake body. If na don watch this video reach this very end, please, the highest you guys can do to appreciate me is by going to my Facebook page, like, follow my page, go to TikTok, follow, like, Instagram, like, follow, and then run to my YouTube channel. Just go there, press the subscribe button, like, press the notification bell so that anytime I drop video, you guys will be the first to be notified. Because me, I dey like to dey drop video that are educative, video when you go learn. Okay, now it don't reach, I don't talk too much. Yeah.